Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing power and bringing the visor into view. Disconnect the battery negative terminal to avoid shorting illuminated components. Once done, lower the visor fully so you can access fasteners. Use a flat pry tool to remove plastic caps gently, then remove visible screws with the appropriate driver. Make sure to set screws and covers aside in order. This prevents confusion when reinstalling. Work patiently and avoid forcing clips. If something resists, double-check for a hidden fastener. Once caps and visible screws are out, support the visor with one hand so it doesn't drop. Use a plastic trim tool to pry where clips hold the visor. Apply steady, even pressure to release clips without cracking trim. If the visor has lights or a mirror, find the wiring connector at the base. Press the release tab and disconnect gently, guiding wires out of the mounting channel. After unplugging, free the visor from its bracket and lift it clear of the headliner, ready for inspection or replacement. With the visor removed, inspect the mounting plate, clips, and any wiring for damage. Replace broken clips or frayed wires before reinstalling. Keep parts organized and reverse the removal steps for installation, ensuring connectors click and screws are snug but not over-torqued. If you hit resistance during removal, stop and recheck for a missed screw or an adhesive patch. Forcing can break trim. Troubleshooting tip: if a clip won't release, use penetrating spray and gentle heat to soften.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.